Yeah, that's a capacitor. Okay, so yeah, your compressor's running right now, but your fan isn't.
Shut it off?
No, I'll be able to shut it off right here. That gives me an idea, though.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what it was.
You know what powers that fan?
What?
Capacitor.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, I kind of was thinking that.
Yeah, it powers both. That's why the compressor's still going.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
And I excited the capacitor when I beat on it.
Yeah, exactly. I'll be able to see what it's telling me.
I was thinking when you were here, the day before yesterday, maybe we ought to just go ahead and get one of those.
Yeah. We will see here.
Yeah, old Mr. Capacitor.
Yeah.
You showed it to me once. Can you show me again?
You said what? It's right here.
Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, I hit on it, and then the fan started to move, and I went, oh, shit. So I bang on it again, and it takes off. And then the fan inside the furnace wasn't working. I couldn't figure that one out, so I just shut it off again and turned the fan on all the time. I got cool last night. It was cold enough for comfortable sleeping.
Low. So it's still reading 3. Let's see, let's take this off.
So that's what I was thinking, maybe a fan relay or something. Thinking automotive, you know.
Yeah.
It's cooking out here today.
Yeah. So your compressor one's like super low. So what I'll do, just for testing, I want to put one on, see what happens. Okay. Fan is brown. Blue is Herm. This is common.
It's okay to leave the auto fan on?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright, let's test it and see what happens.
If you don't know what you're doing.
Okay, so that's still, even with the new capacitor. So let's see.
That was the new compressor?
Yeah. Yeah, it still didn't want to do it. So, let's see here.
That pool over there looks nice, huh?
I thought that or 2 days ago. Yeah. That's the same thing.
Right, just yell at me.
Okay. Yep, thanks. Alright. 120. 120. 120. Alright, this is low to ground. Yep. $115 and $120. Got the new motor, got the contactor because it's in really bad shape. Gonna replace the capacitor because the Herm side, the 35 side is really bad, and then we also got the speed control. So how I diagnosed this bad motor was these terminals here. I was getting 120 on my high and the motor still wasn't turning on. Capacitor was fine on the fan side, and then I was getting voltage from my contactor.
works good, doesn't it?
Yeah, I haven't done that yet, but
that
yeah,
yet.
I had to get all the wires out. Okay, great, thank you.
You're welcome. Nice to clean off the porch.
Yeah.
You done with that umbrella?
Yes, thank you. We'll cut all these wires out here. Then we need to disconnect this fan blade. I'm going to try to use this motor puller here to get this blade off. Finally. Perfect OEM motor. Love to see it. Alright, finally got the blade on. Make sure the set screws on the flat side, and then you can tighten it. Alright, do the spin test. Good to go there. Alright, we'll put this screw in here for the bracket. Alright, zip ties are in. Nothing's gonna hit the fan blade now. Let's put all these screws in. Alright, so here are the fan motor wires. We still have the fan board right here, speed board. Let's install the new speed board. Glorious, look at that thing. Brand new. Snap that in, and all three of these here. Wire it accordingly. Orange was fan in. Blue was low. And black is high. And then yellow is our 24 volts in common. Now let's do the contactor. Alright, so this is our 24 volt signal. And then we'll put the other 24 on the other side. And then these wires here, the black and red, will go on the top of our contactor just like this. This is for the compressor. New connections on here. And instead of doing that, I'm going to make actual connections and get my kit. Alright, I made those fittings on here for the incoming voltage. That's all hooked up. I hooked up the motor and I hooked up the ground. Let's do this fitting here and then the capacitor. Made totally new connections there. We'll replace this. The Herm side was reading about 25 or 23, and it's supposed to be a 35. Red is common. Blue is Herm. Then brown is fan. Brown is fan. We'll put this back in. Capacitor's not going anywhere. Alright, these are all the new wires here. Let's get a zip tie for these. Alright, we got all the new components in. Now let's turn on the disconnect. Alright, so we're all done here. Got the new motor in, that's running. Got the contactor, got the capacitor, and then got the speed control. Suction line is sweating with R22, and we were here recently for a maintenance, so we're all good to go here. Follow and like for more.